Good morning, Primary 2. This is Miss Riham, your math teacher. Miss you so much, and I hope you stay at home very safe. Okay, today we will have lesson 85 and 84, and we start with 85 and we return back to lesson 84. Today we are going to find the exact sum of two numbers just as we did in the money. We did this before in the money lessons. And we have to regroup to solve the problems. And we have a good idea about regrouping numbers from the first term. Now let's start, and please open page 48 and 49, lesson 85. We have some addition problems in page 48 and place value math in page 49. Let's start. Number 1. We will use drawing to help us to regroup the numbers. And remember, we draw tens as a stick and ones as a square. 18, how many tens in 18? 1 tenth, so we have to draw one stick in the place value math. And how many ones in 18? 8 ones, so we have to draw 8 squares in the place value math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 24. 24. How many tens and 24? 2. Please draw 2 sticks. And how many ones? 4. Please draw 4 squares. Now we have to find the sum of 18 plus 24. What is the total ones and the total tens? Let's count the total ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have 12 ones and 12 squares, and we know that it's not allowed to put 10 squares or more in the ones column. Again, not allowed to put 10 or more squares in the ones column. So we have to regroup them into a set of 10 squares. Count 10 squares and circle around them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now please circle around 10 squares. Now we regrouped 10 squares. And we replaced them as 1 10. He said before 10 ones equals 1 10. We take this 10 ones and replace as 1 10. Now let's count again how many ones and how many tens. The ones 1, 2, and the tens 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 4 tens and 2 ones, 4 tens. 2 ones equals 42, and please write 42 in page 48. The second one, 32 plus 18. How many tens in 32? 3 tens, so we have to draw 3 sticks. And how many ones? 2, so we have to draw 2 squares. 18 1 tenths, so draw 1 tenth, and 8 ones, so we draw 8 ones, 8 squares. The total ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we said not allowed 10 or more, so we have to circle around this 10 and replace this 10 with 1 tenth. And recount again. How many ones? 0. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. 0 ones and 5 tens. This is 50. So we have to write 50 in the other page. The last one, number 5, 75 plus 19. How many tens in 75? 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And how many ones? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Plus 19. How many tens in 19? 1 tenth, 1 tenth, and 9 ones. So we have to draw 1 stick in tens place and 9 squares in ones place. Now let's recount how many ones and how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we have 14 ones, and we said not allowed 10 or more. So we have to collect 10 and circle around this 10 and replace the 10 squares with 1 10. 10 ones equal 110. Remember, 10 ones equal 110. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We replaced these 10 ones as 110. And count again. What are the remainder of the ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. And tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 4 ones and 9 tens. This is 94. And this is how to regroup the numbers. Now we will return to lesson 84, page 44, and we will answer the addition problems. And after we finish, we have to record the answer or the sum in the place value math in page 45. Number 1, 52 plus 27. Ones plus ones, tens plus tens. 2 plus 7, 7 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 9 ones. 5 plus 2, 5 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, and after 5, 6, 7. 7 in tens place. We have 79 to record. 79 in the place value math. How many tens? 7 tens. So we have to draw 7 sticks. And how many ones? 9 ones. So we have to draw 9 squares in ones. Number 2, 68 plus 24. Ones plus ones, tens plus tens. 8 plus 4. 8 in your mind, 4 on your fingers, and count with me please. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2. Did we have to write 12? No. 2 and, remember with me, 2 and 1 carry up. 1 carry up on the tens again. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 2 in ones place and 1 carry up in tens. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So that represents 92 on the place value math. 9 tens and 2 ones. 9 sticks in tens place and 2 squares in ones place. Number 3, 67 plus 25. Ones plus ones, tens plus tens. 7 plus 5. All of you please put 7 in your minds, 5 on your fingers, and count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did we have to write 12? No. 2 and 1 carry up. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 92. And represent 92 as 9 tens and 2 ones. Please draw this in your book. Number 4, 38 plus 56. 8 plus 6 equals 8 in your mind, 6 on your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 and 1 carry up. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And represent 94 as a 9 tens and 4 ones. Number 5, 64 plus 28. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 2 and 1 carry up. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 92 and represent 92. And please complete the rest of page 44 and 45 with the same way. And finally, please open your booklet, page 34, to check your answers for the homework for the nearest 10 and the nearest 100. Round to the nearest 10. 95 to the nearest 10. What are the ones? Ones is 5. And 5 is a rich number, so 9 will be 1 more. It will be 10. So the answer will be 100. 74 to the nearest 10. Where the ones? Ones is 4. 4 is a poor number, so 7 will be the same. The answer will be 70. 68. Where the ones? The ones is 8. 8 is a rich number, so 6 will be 7. The answer will be 70. 21 to the nearest 10. 1 is a poor number, so 2 will be the same, 20. 89 to the nearest 10. 9 is a rich number, so 8 will be 9. It will be 90. 18. 8 is a rich number, so 1 will be 2. And the answer will be 20. Now we will round to the nearest 100, and to round to the nearest 100, look at the tens. 771, where are the tens? The tens is 7, and 7 is a rich number, so 7 will be 8, so the answer will be 800. Now we will round to the nearest 100, and in rounding to the nearest 100, we look at the tens. 771, the tens is 7, and 7 is a rich number, so 7 will be 8, and the answer will be 800. 229, where are the tens? 2. 2 is a poor number. Now we will round to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100, look at the tens. 771, where are the tens? 7. 7 is a rich number, so 7 in 100 place will be 8. 8, it will be 800. 229, where are the tens? 2. 2 is a poor number, so 2 will be the same, the answer will be 200. 584, where are the tens? 8. 8 is a rich number, so 5 will be 6, the answer will be 600. 626, tens is 2. 2 is a poor number, so 6 will be the same, 600. 947, 4 is a poor number, so 9 will be the same, 900. 773, 7 is rich, 7 will be 8, so the answers will be 800. 479, 7 is a rich number, so 4 will be 5, the answer will be 500. 633, 3 is a poor number, so 6 will be 600. 352, 5 is a rich number, so 3 will be 4, the answer will be 400. 135, 3 is a poor number, so 1 will be the same, 100. 987, where are the tens? 8. 8 is a rich number, so 9 will be 10, and 10 in hundreds place, it will be 1000. 1000. 522, 2 is a poor number, so 5 will be the same, 500. Page 35, round to the nearest 100. 765, 6 is a rich number, so 7 will be 800. 134, 4 is a poor number, so 1 will be the same, 100. 937, 3 is a poor number, so 9 will be 900. 498, 9 is a rich number, so 4 will be 5, it will be 500. 522, 2 is a poor number, so 5 will be 500. 608, 0 is a poor number, and remember 0 is a poor number. 6 will be 600. 181, 8 is a rich number, so 1 will be 2, and 2 will be 200. 875, 7 is a rich number, so 8 will be 900. 751, 5 is a rich number, so 7 will be 800. 396, 400. 412, 1 is a poor number, so 4 will be 400. 252, 300. 749, 4 is a poor number, 7 will be the same, 700. 536, 3 is a poor number, 500. Now we have to estimate the sum and the difference at the example. 78 minus 14, we estimated 78 to the nearest 10. 8 is a rich number, so 7 will be 80, and 14, 4 is a poor number, so 1 will be 10. 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7. 44 plus 27, 44, 4 is a poor number, so 4 will be 40. But 27, 7 is a rich number, so 2 will be 30. 40 plus 30 equals 70. 82 plus 18, 2 is a poor number, so 8 will be 80, but 18, 8 is the reach number, so 1 will be 20. 80 plus 20 equals 100. 0 plus 0, 0. And 8 plus 2 equals 10. 68 minus 31. 8 is a rich number, so 6 will be 7. The answer will be 70. And 31, the answer will be 30. 70 minus 30 equals 40. The last one, 73 plus 11. 3 is a poor number, so 7 will be the same 70. And 1 is a poor number, so 1 will be the same 10. 70 plus 10 equals 80. Hope you finish all your homework, please, and check your answers. Our homework today will be page 37 and 38. And please finish your homework. Hope you enjoy your staying at home. Thank you. See you soon.